My name is Scott Neal. I am the Director and Qualifying Party of U.S. Vets Construction Company, Inc. My company is licensed with Arizona Register of Contractors. I first met Mark Sirik at Resolve Law as a client, and since then we've become friends and I have worked with him as a consultant and expert. If you need help, I'll recommend the firm. They will know what to do. If it's necessary to hire an expert, then Mark and his team can help. As a licensed contractor with a KB2 dual residential and small commercial license with the ROC, I've been able to work with Mark on a few construction cases. With my background, I can evaluate construction claims and assist the firm with identifying the appropriate standard of care and cost of repair. When it comes to the standard of care and figuring out if another contractor met the appropriate standard, there are several resources to rely on. The ROC has its own workmanship standards. Cities have their codes and ordinances. The International Residential Code and International Building Code can also be a reference and a guide to minimum requirements or standards that need to be considered. As a contractor, I work with experts. Sometimes it is an architect, a lot of times it's an engineer. Before a floor plan is approved by a city, for example, a structural engineer will make calculations and provide his stamp on drawings or required reviews. As a consultant or expert, my initial review can begin with looking at legal documents, so I understand what a case is about. I also perform site inspections, documents, and summarize my findings in reports that an owner or law firm can rely on, and I provide estimates of the cost of repair for construction defects. Sometimes my testimony is also required. If you find yourself in a situation that requires an expert, I recommend you contact Mark and his team at Resolve Law for any construction matter, real estate, or business concern.